A digital go bag, protecting your career when you're fired. Worried about losing your job? Pack a digital go bag, a virtual version of your traditional go bag, to safeguard your most critical information and work-life balance. While getting fired by email or through a locked-out laptop isn't rare, see https://wired.com/story. Google, Meta, Big Tech is bad at firing. It's increasingly happening to U.S. workers who lack legal protections. Even federal employees. See https://www.wired.com. Dozens of CFPB workers terminated in after-hours firing blitz, who once had secure jobs and strong unions, now face unexpected termination. What exactly does a digital go bag contain? It's a virtual bag designed specifically for work-related tasks. Think of it as a digital wallet for your essential documents, emails, and tools you'll need when you leave. But here's the catch. You don't need to carry everything physically. How to build a digital go bag. 1. Identify what matters. 2. Set up file updates. 3. Plan for overkill. 4. Store files properly. The first time you make a digital go bag is a test run. You'll learn how long it takes to find your needed files, download them, and open them to verify their accuracy. This is a chance to test the process before committing. Where to put your files. Organize everything into a folder and label it clearly. Add the year in the name, like 2025, employer name files. This helps you know when your digital version was last updated. Why a digital go bag is better than none. Having a digital go bag means you're not left without anything. If you never update it, at least you have a backup. Notes on privacy and security. Some files, like healthcare and retirement plans, must stay private. Always use your personal email and address instead of your work one. What to put in a digital go bag. Your files will depend on your job and future goals. For example, government workers need detailed promotion info, while academics need committee lists. Customize your digital version to fit your industry.